Hey everybody, thank you so much for tuning in. Today I'm going to explore the Dollar Trees here in my new area, Long Island. As some of you may know, I just recently moved here from Virginia, so I'm dying to explore. I'm just waiting for my daughter to wake up from her nap and then we're on our way. Please be sure to look out for shout outs throughout the video. I just want to go ahead and say thank you to all the people that I see constantly commenting and showing me love. I really do appreciate you. So on all my videos, I'm going to be adding little shout outs. Anyway, let's go ahead and go shopping. So the first find was this nautical rope. I'm so happy that I finally found it in stores. I also found a ton of fairy garden stuff. Last year I did make a fairy garden using Dollar Tree stuff and Target stuff, so I'm really glad that I found everything all together. I also found these really cute pot huggers. This is adorable to give as a gift for somebody who loves gardening. They of course had a beautiful selection of succulents, bamboo, and these were brand new to my store. I was really excited to see them, along with these succulent picks. Even though they're $1, they are still cheaper than Michael's with a coupon, and so are these terrariums. They're so big and so sturdy, so for $1, totally worth it. So for summer, of course, they have the flamingos going on and all things tropical, which I absolutely love. They have new goodies this year, like this sign and this backdrop, which is so cool for a party, along with these centerpieces and all of these little inflatable characters. I just love their summer stuff. These necklaces are my favorite. I love using them for parties. Another great buy at Dollar Tree are the sand toys. Usually they bring a whole lot of toys in a little basket, and look at all of these inflatables for just $1. Everywhere else they are so much more expensive, so this is so perfect. They also had flip-flops, scarves, hats, all sorts of things to get you ready for the beach and the summer. These little things are so cute for your car or to keep on your windowsill. And look at these patterns. I absolutely fell in love. They even have seat cushions with the same patterns, so of course I picked up the ones with the palm fronds. They had so many different candles, and it was really nice to see a soy blend candle at Dollar Tree. So these were like chakra candles. These smelled really nice as well. This candle was interesting because it was clear and had a bunch of goodies on the inside. These also caught my eye. They look like they came from Bath & Body Works. They were so cute. And of course, I fell in love with the nautical ones because I love all things nautical. They had a ton of other interesting patterns like this henna pattern and their rose collection and new candles with very pretty designs. These Buddhas were such a nice big size. Those little macaroons were adorable, and that dream sign was so nice and sturdy. I also really liked this flamingo wall decal. Look at how nice these small nautical vases are. And they also had these really pretty jars with really nice sayings. These trinket trays are so adorable. I couldn't find the mermaid one, but I still love them. And these drawers came in new patterns, so I love them. These are really cool. They came in different patterns, but you basically just put paper on top and it traces out the pattern for you. Look how beautiful these patterns are. These stamps are super cool, and they have happy birthday ones as well. These are such a good buy. I promise you they're so much more expensive everywhere else. And I'm just loving how much unicorn stuff they're bringing in, along with these headbands, which would have come in really handy for my daughter's first birthday last year. The metallic tattoos are back in stores. Look at how awesome these are. Dollar Tree finally has iron-on patches. The possibilities for DIYs are endless with these, and look at the patterns. They're so cute. I love them, and of course I purchased some of these. Speaking of adorable things, these sequin cell phone cases are so nice and a really thoughtful gift as well. I finally found the Amopay pedicure system, and this one actually brings the oil. I know a lot of people were hauling the oil separately. I also found the compact trimmer. Impress nails are back at Dollar Tree, which is always a good buy since they're $7 at Walgreens. And LA Colors has so many options. They have these liquid lipsticks, which are really good quality. I've already tried a few, and look at the different shades that they come in. They're all so pretty. I was so happy that they also had lip liners to match. And I just thought these magnets were super cute and festive. For Mother's Day, they had the prettiest wood frames. Check these all out. And look at these really cool frames. They are a little bit like shadow boxes, and these are so cute. I came across these clear signs, and I love them. They have I Need Coffee, Aim to Inspire, and Out of Office. Check out this adorable stacked piggy frame for all my farmhouse lovers out there. This was such a great find. Dollar Tree has Goo Gone adhesive remover, which is amazing, and Crazy Glue brand glue, which is a really good buy. Also, these clear bath mats. The wine glasses had super fun sayings like wine is cheaper than therapy. On Wednesdays we drink red, which is a total Mean Girls reference. Someone get this girl a beer. More awesome please, and a ton of other cool things. I think these would make really good gifts. And this one was my favorite. I only do beer runs. I love when they have the Renews It cones because I love using these in my guest bathroom. It lasts so long for me. As I was making my way out, I noticed they had new bubble machines this year and really cute little frames. These are great as gifts. Along with the sound machine, which totally reminded me of my childhood. And I finally found the beautiful stationery. Anyway, that's it for me. I really hope that you enjoyed this shop with me, and thank you so much for watching. Until next time.